Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I actually want to show you guys some tips, tricks, and hacks that I've learned along the way. And it's basically when you think that you're running out of your product and you actually want to throw it away, just wait a second. Try some of these tips and tricks, because like my toothpaste, this is a brand new toothpaste that I wanted to start, and you guys know I'm obsessed with Thieves. Anything Thieves. But this is the Whitening toothpaste, and I was running out, and you know how we kind of like push the product down, we're trying squeezing, rolling, and it's like nothing's coming out, you're just about to throw it away. Try this. I remember seeing my dad do this, and I tried it myself, and I'm so happy that I did, because literally I just cut it in half. There was so much product. As you can see, I really cleaned it out, but look at the bottom. Look how much product is left on the bottom. I already used it like 3 times. You don't need a lot when it comes to like Thieves toothpaste, because like the Whitening toothpaste does an amazing job cleaning your teeth. It's like bubbly, foamy. It's so good. But you guys, cut it in half and just see what you have on the bottom, because I can use this another like 7 times, I'm thinking. All I did was cut some slits on the very top, so when I'm done I literally just put it back on, and that's it. Wait for the next time. The next one I have is my Intensive Moisturizer. Love this. It's so creamy, luxurious, it smells amazing, infused with essential oils, and I was running out. I couldn't even like push the pump. It just like teeny tiny would come out, and I'm like, is there anything left inside? So I literally just took off the cap. Oh my gosh, there's so much product left in there, and I can use probably another 4 times, I'm gonna say. So because it's so intensive, okay, it's thicker, you only need like a little bit, and it just covers your whole face. It's so smooth and luxurious. So that's that one. Now for this one, the Light Moisturizer, because it has a smaller hole, you really can't get like your finger in there. But if you have like a very long Q-tip or tongue presser things, I have no idea what they're called, but if it's thin enough and long enough, which I have seen them like at Walmart, or any other kind of store, you can get the product out, which I think I will buy me some of those. Now the next one I have is these guys. Love the hand sanitizer. I actually got a 3-pack. I always get like a 3-pack, and I stick one in my husband's van, one's in my gym bag, and one's in my purse. I have to have these with me, especially if we're gonna go to a job site. I loathe porta potties. Okay, I just can't deal. But instead of keep buying these little ones, because I'm obsessed with anything little, I actually got one of these guys. This is humongous, the Thieves hand sanitizer. So when I'm running out, I'm just gonna refill these little guys and just buy. This one is a 7.6 ounce, which it's a lot right here. But yeah, just refill them and you're good to go. Next, speaking of refill, the Thieves foaming hand soap. Every time people come over, they go to the bathroom and they come out, I'm not kidding, like they're obsessed with the smell, and everybody's like, what is it? Thieves. Everything Thieves is amazing. So the Thieves foaming hand soap, I have, it's about like right here. So I'm almost out, and instead of buying a new pump, which you guys can get 3-pack, which is amazing, especially now that I have a new house, thank you Jesus, I'm going to need these. But instead of buying packs like this, I am just going to get the Thieves refill, the foaming hand soap refill. This guy is 32 fluid ounce. You pour it, you're done. So just get these like a one-time buy, and all you have to do is just purchase this and refill each time. So I think that's absolutely amazing. Next, The Thieves Household Cleaner. You guys, I use this for just about everything. I still have, okay, it's like right here because I can see the light shine through. I have used this for all of my glass, my mirrors, my floors, my countertops, my toilets. If it has a surface, most likely this has seen it. So I've also done laundry soap using this. And if you guys want to see it, I do have a video, so check that out. I'm still tweaking the ratio on the dish soap. A lot of people think that it's too expensive, too thick, it's not enough. Me personally, I love the dish soap. I will not wash my dishes without using the dish soap from Thieves. So I'm trying to figure out like a ratio so I can let you guys know, kind of a hack. But yeah, this guy is a must. Now the last one is your Savvy Minerals foundation or eyeshadow, whatever you have, because it does have this little thing right here, and there's still some product, right? Sometimes you're shaking it, it won't come out. Well, I found out if you take any kind of tweezers, there's a little rim right here. You literally just kind of have to play around a little bit, make sure that you're careful. You stick it to like the very corner, that little rim, wiggle it, and you just kind of go around, picking it up each time you go out around. Check it out. It comes out, and now you have access to that powder that you couldn't get out. So you can do this with your blush, your foundation, eyeshadow. No waste, you guys. You know that I don't like wasting, and this comes to food, to products, to basically anything. So I'm like, you know what? I gotta share this with you guys. If you guys haven't tried it already, or if you don't know, yeah. If you guys have any tips or tricks for me, if you have tried something like, Patricia, you need to try this out, leave them down in the comments below because I love hearing from you guys. This is why I love Young Living, because it's such a family, it's such a community. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. And again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you want to become a member and get in on these products, oh my gosh, you get 24% off all of these products just for being a member, and perks and promotions and all these goodies because you're part of the family. Okay, I will leave a link in the description below. If you have any questions or if you want to message me something specific or personally, you can always private message me. I'm always here for you guys. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a new computer and I will be posting new videos more and more and more because I really want to get back into this because I love you guys. But yeah, till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.